Hey everybody, Alan Butler here with Butler Contracting. Today we're talking about fence repairs. We often get asked, well, do you just install fences or you just replace fences? Do you do repairs as well? And that answer is yes, we do fence repairs. We do a lot of fence repairs. We actually have put together what's called a fence maintenance plan where we actually have certain tasks that we get called on pretty often about doing fence maintenance and repairs. We put that package together for you, the customers, so you guys can grab those service plans, get signed up for them, and have us come over and knock those repairs out for you. So whether you want to get an actual fence repaired or you want to check out our maintenance plans, hop on our website at butler.contractor/fencing and see what we can do to help you out with your project. And we'll see you on your next project.